something that's quite sad in many, many ways is that a lot of the videos I've done are now classified as criminal. Not because they were criminal at the time, but retroactively speaking, because it is now a criminal offence to buy a carving knife on the internet. It wasn't when I bought one a few months ago, but now it is. It is now, and it's going through Parliament. They're going to make it illegal, not just to buy, God, it's bloody cold, not just to buy a catapult, but even to have one in your possession. 2 bits of wood with a bit of lucky band. So, yeah. I was going to do a video because somebody was asking me about relocations on Rumble. And there's 5 aspects to my life which are not widely known. There's the aspect of my life which is public knowledge. A couple of crimes in the mid-90s. Everything else seems fairly two-dimensional. There's 4 aspects, some I can't talk about. Not for any eek reason, it's just some things I can talk a little bit about would be, for a few decades I helped rescue, relocate, trafficked kids, mass auctions in the Republic of Ireland. Another aspect is that since the late 1980s, I've been recruiting, retraining and hiring out ex-military personnel, and I've been relocating people. There's nothing major about it, it's just a case of, right, okay, today is, that is supposed to be rechargeable. I think this is basically the same as what I already have. It just feels really freaky because it's, where's my original? It's a laser pointer. It's pretty much the same, but slightly different design to the one I already have. No doubt I will lose that safety device pretty quick. Well, yep. The difference with this one is that it doesn't have the lens on it. Oh, it's got a threaded thing here. So you can attach lenses to it. I wonder, because I got these lenses from my big blue one. Well, they fit. Excellent. So that actually fits. These have funky different patterns on them, and you can change it and things. Oh, that's cool. That's very interesting. Okay, so you can actually use your interchangeable lenses. No doubt these will also be illegal soon. Of course, shan't mention this thing. Anyway, so yeah, that is my rechargeable laser pointer. They're pretty good value for money, really. That one's quite sturdy as well, feeling. Just get my other one. Where is it? Oh, okay. All right. Da-da-da. That's the original one I got. The reason for the tape on that, it's not broken. It's just that because I lost the safety guard, I just put that around it. That way, if it's in my pocket, I'm not going to accidentally push the button. But my one has, I bought myself a lens to put on there. You see the difference? Because I put the lens on there, that means instead of having a pinprick like that, can you focus that one, I wonder? Yeah, so instead of having a pinprick for light, which doesn't seem like a pinprick at this rate, but a bright pinprick, you end up with a much bigger. See, at this range, it doesn't look that different. Right, let's show the wall, something a bit further away. There we go, like that. So this is how it would normally look. Yep, like that. And with my adaption, it's like that. It essentially turns a small dot into a larger area coverage. This way, if you were to get attacked by a horde of zombies, you could just push the button, wave it around, and you temporarily disorient people so you can get away. It's a very handy, effective thing. So yeah, that's the new one. It is bigger. I think it's pretty much the same device. It's just that it is slightly bigger. I think a lot of the bigness is the fact you got this threaded aspect on here so you can attach things to it. I do have some more gizmos to go on this. what can I say on YouTube? Well, first off, I've restarted my Rumble channel simply because I got to the point where I was going to make money on those channels and they shut me down, basically. No warnings, nothing else, just, we don't like you, you're gone. The other channels on Rumble, they're still going. But, yeah, so I'm slowly re-uploading some things on there. It's either going to be called Ash Off Grid or Ash Off Grid 1 or something like that. Anyway, that is a new toy. I mean, these things, for what it does, it's a bloody good deal. It's a bloody good deal. Oh yeah, the adapter I'm getting for here, it's basically a lens like this, but the other way around. So it should bring it to a focal point. So yeah, it feels weird because of the material they use, aluminium kind of thing. But it's very, it's more sci-fi looking. That is just practical matte black. That is just more sci-fi feel. I think I got the silver one, but they're quite sturdy as well. I do like that. It's actually better for my hand because my hands are quite large, so that one's actually a better size. Oh, doesn't vibrate. Don't worry.